Contractors looking for reliable, innovative solutions that generate greater productivity ask for LATICRETE Skim Lite by name. This premium performance feather edging product is rapid setting and fiber reinforced, adding an additional layer of flexural strength. High coverage rates and a weight savings of 20% compared to your typical skim coat make LATICRETE Skim Lite a superior product. Skim Lite contains no respirable crystalline silica and is caster wheel safe for aggressive situations. You can rest assured that its high polymer content and its wide application range will have you covered. As always, refer to the product data sheet for specific mixing, application, and other performance attributes. Start by adding the required water into the bucket. For embossing applications, NXT Embossing Admix can be used. Open the bag and pour slowly. Use a drill with a minimum RPM of 650 and begin to mix. A mortar-style mixing blade is recommended, and keeping it in the mix is important. Always stop in the middle of the mix to scrape down any leftover dry product. This will make a uniform mix. Mix for a full 3 minutes before applying. Skim Lite can be used over many substrates, including OSB, plywood, concrete, gypsum, and much more. With such fantastic workability characteristics, you would never know it's fiber reinforced. One bag of Skim Lite can almost achieve 400 square feet at a feather edge, requiring less material and increasing efficiency at the job site. Its smooth consistency allows the installer to fill voids with ease for a perfectly smooth and leveled surface for any finished flooring installation. The product can be remixed before it fully cures to gain back some workability, but do not add any additional water to the mix. Over rougher surfaces, one bag of Skim Lite can achieve almost 200 square feet at a feather edge. Competitors cannot match this high-yield formula. In any application, make sure to remove any overlapping marks for a perfect finish. You will be amazed at how Skim Lite fills in every void. For concrete, gypsum, and self-leveling underlayment applications, please refer to the product data sheet. This lightweight product can still achieve a high compressive strength of up to 2100 psi, and its surface is strong enough to bear the high point load of a caster wheel. And finally, rest assured that its high polymer content will form a strong bond for years to come. Skim Lite, giving you best performance one can achieve from a LATICRETE product. Learn more about our products at laticrete.com and by viewing our comprehensive LATICRETE University video tutorials.